Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Qlife Racer Electric Bike. If you want to check out the latest deals and availability, make sure to click the link in the description below. Starting with performance, the Qlife Racer is powered by a 750 watts brushless motor that delivers smooth, reliable assistance up to speeds of 22 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting around town or hitting moderate trails, this motor provides just the right boost to help you conquer hills and extend your range with less effort. This bike features a 21-speed Shimano gear system, giving you plenty of options to dial in the perfect cadence for different terrains and riding styles. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising flat roads, you'll find the gear that suits your ride perfectly. The 375 watt-hours removable battery is compact but efficient, providing up to 40 miles of range on a single charge depending on how much pedal assist you use. The removable design means you can easily charge the battery off the bike or swap it out if you have a spare for longer adventures. The Qlife Racer sports 26-inch by 2.1-inch tires that offer a great balance of stability and agility. They're wide enough to provide good traction on trails and rougher surfaces but nimble enough to maintain smooth handling on pavement. This makes the bike a solid choice whether you're navigating city streets or light off-road paths. The frame features a step-over design, which makes it easy to get on and off, especially for riders who prefer a more traditional bike setup. The lightweight build means it's easier to carry or maneuver when needed, without sacrificing strength or durability. In terms of comfort, the bike includes ergonomic grips and a comfortable saddle designed for longer rides. The responsive front suspension helps absorb bumps, making your ride smoother and less tiring on uneven terrain. For safety, the Qlife Racer is equipped with reliable front and rear brakes, ensuring confident stopping power in a variety of conditions. The bike also includes LED lights for visibility if you decide to ride after dark. Connectivity and usability are straightforward, with an easy-to-read digital display that shows your speed, battery level, and riding mode. Switching between pedal assist levels and monitoring your ride stats is simple, making it a great bike for riders of all experience levels. Overall, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike is a fantastic all-around e-bike for anyone looking for a lightweight, reliable, and versatile ride. Whether you want to commute, explore local trails, or simply enjoy a leisurely cruise, this bike offers a solid mix of power, control, and comfort. If you're ready to upgrade your cycling experience, click the link in the description to check out the latest deals on the Qlife Racer Electric Bike. It's a great option for anyone wanting to ride smarter, not harder.